Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Happy Thursday. Today I wanted to do a little something different. I usually do Thrifty Thursday and I thought I would join an open collaboration. Hashtag is Altered Thursday, hosted by Elsa the Bargain Hunting Crafter and Crafting with Isabel. So I'll put their links down below. If you click on the hashtag, you'll see all the other participants, and it's maker's choice. You can pick whichever project you would like or whichever object you would like to alter. For my Thrifty Thursdays, I've done a lot of thrifting, and one of the items that I've been wanting to work on are my thrifted playing cards. I wanted to do this full deck card challenge that's inspired by Shinuki art, and I wanted to create different themes for each of the playing cards. So today we're going to be doing a writing theme, and this booklet here is an embellishment booklet that I created for my Artelier box of ephemera that was gifted to me by my sweet friend Joanne, and I still have to add the beads. My previous one looks like this, and so you see the bead dangles there, so I have to add some charms and beads on that one. I thought we would play around and use some of the wonderful items that were curated in this ephemera box. Now here are the thrifted little playing cards that I have, and I wanted to work only with, let's do probably 10 today. And what I want to do in the long run is use these cards as prompt cards for journaling, collaging, and other projects. And I thought that would be fun to use in the future. I'm just counting the cards. So we'll be working on 10 of them today and using some of the fun items we have in here. I'm just going to grab my glue stick and some scissors, and we shall start altering these cards. So I will be working on this portion, leaving this the same color, so when we're picking our prompts we don't know what we're working with. It makes it more fun that way. So let's work with this first card here. I'll play some music and let's start crafting. you guys enjoyed this simple way of altering your playing cards. I hope you found some inspiration here. I'm going to be continuing this series and I'll be doing the next 10 cards. Next time we'll pick a different theme. Maybe we'll do shabby chic. Comment down below and let me know what kind of theme you would like to see. Today we did a little bit of a vintage look. Had some more books and writing featured on our cards. So we'll mix it up and do something else different next week, and make sure to check out the hashtag and see who else participated for this open collaboration. Again, thanks for watching. Caramia's Corner. See you next time.